Alright everybody, question number 3, we need to write it down, the funktion gleichung. If you want to write any function gleichung, you need, the most important, you must have, alright, a point, 1 point, and slope. Steigung, in other words, Steigung. Okay, let's check. Do I have 1 point? Yes, I have actually 2 points, more than 1. How about, do I have slope? No. Can I write the slope? Of course, I can write it down, my slope. Okay. How? First of all, I have to name those points. Let's say this is my first x Punkte, this is y, first y Punkte. This is my second x Punkte, and this is my second y Punkte. Is this understood? Do you have any questions so far?
No.
Wonderful. Then I have to find the Steigung. How do I find the Steigung? Always m is equal to, isn't it y difference, the change of y? Okay, here, just like make it over. This top part is going to be the y difference. The bottom part is going to be the x difference. So which one is the first y and first x Punkte? P. This is the second. I always subtract from the second point minus first point. I always do this. Then let's write it down, my second y Punkte, which is 22 minus 43. Okay, is this right? 22 minus 43. You know what? Let me write it down first, the formula. y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, now it's going to be much better. y2 is 22, and then y1 is 43, divided by x2 is 1, x1 is minus 4. Is this understood so far? Mr. Kutsu, why we write y2 minus y1, the second point first, then minus the first point? Think about a line, okay? Think about, this is a line, your graph, okay? You are here, and then you are walking, and now you stop here. How do you name this point? Isn't it first point? How do you name them? Bananen. How do you name? You think that this is first point, right?
Yes.
And then this is the second point, isn't it?
Yes.
How do you find the distance? You subtract second point minus 1 point, isn't it?
Yes.
That's why we always second point minus 1 point to find the difference. Now let's do the calculation. Oh, let me delete it. Okay, what is it equal to? I need someone to help me. Minus 21, right? Isn't it? Yeah. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Okay, what is my Steigung? I didn't find it yet. Actually, you can leave it like this. That means you have to go 21 times down, 3 times left, but it's too much. Let's simplify. 21 divided by 3, isn't it 7?
Yes.
Negative divided by negative is plus. No need to write. But okay. What does that mean? Your slope is 7 up. Here is 1 left. 7 up, 1 right. But you can just say it, this is equal to 7. Now you know your slope. M is 7. Now you have M, Steigung, and you need 1 point. Which one do you want to choose, guys? So P or Q? It's up to you. You know what I do as a math teacher? I always looked at them. Which one is small and positive? I will go with it. Here is 443. Okay, both positive is okay. But here is 122. This is small and both positive. Let's go with Q point. 1 and 22. Now it's very, very easy to write the Steigung, Funktionsgleichung. So now this is like a question number 2, right? You know this and you know. Okay, again, think that this is your line and this is the Q point 1 and 22. You need to take another x, y point and write it down the Funktionsgleichung. Okay. Steigung, which is 7 is equal to, okay, you say y minus 22, okay, and then x minus 1. Multiply both sides with x minus 1. When you multiply it, those are gone. Here is what is left. 7x minus 1 is equal to y minus 22. Okay, let's distribute it. 7x minus 7 is equal to y minus 22. We always keep the y is alone. Plus 22. 7x minus 7 plus 22 is equal to y. Okay, 7x minus 7 plus 22 plus 15 is equal to y. In other words, let's write it down. Y is equal to, I write y first, 7x plus 15. That's it. Does it say is the Nullstelle? No, but let's do the Nullstelle. It's easy. Nullstelle means y is 0 is equal to 7x plus 15. Okay. And let's subtract 15. Minus 15 is equal to 7x. Divided by 7, x is equal to minus 15 over 7. You know what I recommend you? Let's go to the Desmos and let's write this one down. Let's write this one down in Desmos and check my point. This 443 and 122. Are they going to be on this line? Let's see. Y is equal to 7x plus 15. Am I right?
Yes.
Let's make it small. What is the first point? We said 4, 43. I am going to look. You see? It is on my line, which is correct. How about the second line? It is 1, 22. Let's close the parentheses. Let's see the second point. So look. Both of them here on my line. That means I did correct. The 7x plus 15 is correct. Let's look at the Nullstelle. Nullstelle right over here, right?